Everybody, I'm Brian Bledsoe, Chief Meteorologist right here at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. Hope your Saturday is going well. Beautiful weather across the western high plains. Nice, cool, a little bit of moisture over the past couple of days. Overall, I don't think there are too many complaints out there. Looking ahead, I do think our prospects of having some better moisture this upcoming week do look a little bit better than what they did last week. Not necessarily for everybody, but I do think we'll at least get a little bit more moisture on the docket as we head through the week, especially as we head toward Tuesday. That moisture chance is ahead of a pretty strong cold front that's going to move through here late next week. The timing of it still a little bit uncertain, but we're kind of targeting either late Wednesday or later Thursday, making the possibility of some patchy areas of frost possible by early Thursday morning. So bottom line, you're going to want to stay tuned to this upcoming forecast because we could have some issues with the growing season in some parts of the area. Now, we're not expecting a widespread freeze to occur, but at this point, things look like they're going to get fairly chilly by later on next week. The moisture with that passage of that cold front doesn't look terribly great, at least north of Highway 50. But if you live south of Highway 50, especially down in northeast New Mexico and down into the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas, and maybe even a little bit of southwest Kansas, your moisture prospects do look a little bit better with that front coming up later next week. That just kind of continues my idea of an early fall that will likely continue to set in as we progress through September. We'll keep you updated on the progress of all things weather right here at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. And keep in mind, for long-range forecast information, it's $20 a month. All you have to do is click on the long-range forecast tab. There's a sign-up that you have to go through right there, and you'll immediately start accessing that information. Like I said, for just $20 a month, that's fairly cheap for the information that we're going to continue to provide here at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. Have yourself a great weekend, everybody.